Alright, good morning everyone. I am so tired. It's like 7:30 in the morning here. And I have to teach in like 2 hours. So I'm up right now. My commute usually is like 40 minutes, 35 minutes at the most. So that's why I'm up this early. Right now I'm just gonna get ready for the day. I'm gonna do my bed real quick. I'm gonna get dressed. I'm probably gonna straighten my hair a little bit. I'm gonna eat breakfast, and then I'm just gonna start getting, all my stuff ready just to leave for the day and head to work. So I'll be showing you everything so you can see a realistic day here. So yeah, let's get started. So I just washed my face with the CeraVe face wash, the green bottle. Now I'm just gonna go in with a glossier vitamin C. Just clindamycin gel and some benzoyl peroxide, and I just put it over. Alright, so this is my outfit for the day. I just have this beige top. Y'all seen this top so many times, so I'm just gonna wear this one. I didn't bring that much clothes to Madrid. I'm gonna wear these Levi jeans, and then I'm gonna wear my white Air Force. But that's the outfit for the day. As my hair looks, I don't think I'm gonna put makeup on. I wear a mask all day, so I really don't care. Yeah, I'm gonna go get my breakfast right now. Alright, so I have these oatmeal pancakes from yesterday, so I'm just gonna heat these up. So I'm gonna eat my breakfast right now. Love these. They're kind of like protein pancakes because I put Greek yogurt in them. The reason I ate in my room is because my roommates are sleeping, and one of their rooms is right by the kitchen. I don't want to wake them up, so I don't like eating there or vlogging there early in the morning. But I'm gonna eat, drink some water, eat my Greek yogurt, and then at the end I'll drink my green tea. That's pretty much it. Beautiful day. It's a little shaky right now, the video, because I'm walking really fast to the station because a bitch is late like always. So I'm gonna speed up. So right now it's time between classes. The bell just rang. And I am just chilling here, checking out my emails. And hopefully edit a few things. Don't look at my screen, it's dirty. But yeah, this is just a little break that I have. I start class in like 8 minutes though. This is a little room I'm in, working on stuff. And I'm gonna actually head out early today, so excited. So I'm walking home. Just came out of work. And I ended up earlier than I thought, so I'm just gonna actually head to the store to buy a few things so I can make lunch and then go to the gym later on today. So I got lucky that I left to work early, and I'm so excited to eat
don't know why I'm so hungry. I didn't get to eat my yogurt, so I'm gonna eat my yogurt first.
Alright, I just got home and I took my eye contact because that shit was hurting. But I'm gonna snack. I'm eating these Sunbite chips, multi-cereal ones, chili flavored, and strawberries. That's my snack. And I didn't eat my yogurt for breakfast, so I'm actually gonna eat it right now. So I'm just gonna chill and then I'll go make my burger. I'm eating a turkey burger today, and I'm making some chickpeas as my side. Alright, so this is everything you're gonna need to make these chickpeas. Of course, Jofi's gonna be making noise in the background. Of course, you're gonna need your garbanzo beans. Alright, they're already cooked. You're gonna need a full lemon, paprika, cayenne, then I have black pepper, onion, olive oil, and salt. So it's pretty easy. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drain these right now. I'm gonna put them here, and then I'm just gonna top it off with all these seasonings and stick it up in the oven. Alright, flipped it over. I'm excited. I have my cheddar and all my toppings ready. I am so freaking excited. I'm gonna add cheese right onto the patty so it can start melting too. Alright, time to eat. A chickpea. Fire. Delicious. I'm gonna eat, watch YouTube, chill, and then head to the gym. Alright, I ate and I took like an hour nap, which I should not have taken. But guess what? It's gym time, bitches. So, I'm gonna start walking to the gym. It's like a 10-minute walk from my place. And I'm gonna work out for an hour. I'm so exhausted. I don't know why I'm so tired today. I'm gonna work out for an hour and I'm doing upper body today. So let's go. Alright, I looked at B because I just came from the gym. I'm eating some gummies. I saw in Bretman's video, he said that he eats gummies with his protein because it stimulates some muscle growth. So I'm eating some. I'm gonna green smoothie. There's protein in here, spinach, banana, pineapple. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I have to get ready super fast because I'm meeting some friends for dinner. We're gonna go get pizza. I did booty today, glutes, so I got really pumped up and I'm really proud of myself. I squatted more than I thought I was gonna be able to today because I was just not with energy. But yeah, time to get ready. So I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. As you saw, I did a few things today. I worked out, went to eat dinner, and now I am gonna treat myself and I'm gonna start watching WandaVision and then Disney Plus or Friends. So I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the night. It's already like 10:30. There's toque de queda here at 11, which means that you can't be outside after 11 here. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this.
As always, please subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Give me feedback, positive feedback, and anything you would love to see in my videos. Take care, and I'll see you next week. Every Sunday, I'm posting every Sunday. Y'all keep me accountable. Yeah, take care.